Hello everyone. Today, we will talk about some special locations that have recently featured in the news and hold significant importance for UPSC and other competitive exams. These are places where recent discoveries, research, or environmental activities have taken place. Let's explore their uniqueness and significance. Carlsberg Ridge, a new chapter in India's marine exploration. Recently, the Government of India signed an agreement with the International Seabed Authority, granting India the right to explore polymetallic sulfide nodules in the Carlsberg Ridge region. These nodules are rich in valuable metals such as copper, zinc, silver, and gold, which could play a crucial role in meeting India's future mineral requirements and advancing sustainable utilization of marine resources. Carlsberg Ridge is a mid-oceanic ridge located in the Indian Ocean. It is an example of a divergent plate boundary, where two tectonic plates are moving away from each other. The ridge extends from the triple junction of the African, Indian, and Australian plates in a northwest direction to the Gulf of Aden. It separates the Arabian Sea in the northeast from the Somali Basin in the southwest and demarcates the boundary between the Indian and Somali plates. The ridge's average depth ranges from 1,800 to 3,600 meters below sea level, while its elevation from the seabed reaches up to 2,100 meters. The ridge curves westward near Socotra Island and eventually connects to the East African Rift System. Seismically, the region is highly active, with multiple earthquake epicenters. From a geological and strategic perspective, this area is extremely important. The ongoing marine exploration will not only strengthen India's blue economy, but also mark a decisive step toward mineral self reliance. Barren Island, India's only active volcano. Barren Island, part of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, has once again made headlines due to minor volcanic eruptions observed recently. Located about 138 kilometers northeast of Port Blair, Barren Island is India's only active volcano and is also considered the only active volcano in South Asia. The island spans roughly 3 square kilometers, with its surface covered in lava, ash, and volcanic cones, supporting very sparse vegetation. Its last major eruption occurred in 2017. Geologically, the island lies at the convergence of the Indo-Burma Plate and the Indo-Australian Plate, making its volcanic activity a topic of significant scientific study. Gulf of Mannar, a new hope for coral reefs. Recently, news emerged of coral reef revival in the Gulf of Mannar, off the coast of Tamil Nadu. This is noteworthy because the region had long suffered from coral bleaching and the adverse effects of climate change. Under a new initiative, divers have installed triangular and perforated structures underwater, allowing coral species to flourish once again. This has not only increased coral coverage and survival rates, but also boosted fish populations. Furthermore, it has enhanced awareness, skills, and employment opportunities among local communities. The Gulf of Mannar lies between India's southeastern coast and the northwestern coast of Sri Lanka and forms part of the Lakshadweep Sea. It encompasses 21 islands, surrounded by Rameswaram, Adams Bridge, and Mannar Island, with rivers such as Tamrapani and Malwathu Oya flowing into it. The region hosts a marine national park and a biosphere reserve, which are critically important for marine life and biodiversity. The Marine National Park houses 117 coral species, over 450 fish species, and endangered species such as sea cows, whale sharks, and marine turtles. Recognized by UNESCO, the Biosphere Reserve is the first marine reserve in South and Southeast Asia. This initiative demonstrates that human efforts can give new hope to marine life. The Gulf of Mannar exemplifies how, with proper care, nature can regain its vitality and beauty. So, these were some important locations recently in the news. We'll keep bringing more such updates to help you stay exam ready and informed. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.